In this video, I'm going to show you how to see if someone muted you on Messenger. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. So I will pass the information on my Android. Okay, my Samsung Android, but it's the same process, the same information. So iPhone, computer, doesn't matter. The first thing you need to do is log on Messenger and log into your account, the account that you want to see if someone muted you. Then you need to enter on the chat that you want to see and send any message to this person. Now, if that message is read as seen, the exact time you send it, probably the person muted you, okay? You have a high chance of the person has muted you. So again, you need to send a message, and if the message is read as seen at the exact time, probably the person muted you. I hope I helped you how to see if someone muted you on Messenger. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.